Class 10th, exercise 14.4, chapter number 14. Question number first. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Daily income in rupees 100 say 120. Number of workers is 12. 120 to 140, number of workers 14. 140 to 160, number of workers 8. 160 to 180, number of workers 6. 180 to 200, number of workers 10. Convert the distribution above to a less than type communicative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. Here daily income we have given, daily income is given है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, हमारे को फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो है डेली इनकम पर 50 वर्कर्स जो फैक्ट्री में काम करते हैं उनका वेजेस 100 टू 120 इनकम वाले पर्सन का हो, नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स वो 12 हैं और 120 से 140 रुपीज़ इनकम के पर्सन है 14 एंड 140 टू 116 इज पर्सन इज़ 8 एंड 160 टू 180 जो पर्सन है वो 6 और 180 से 200 जो इनकम आ रही है वो 10% है. हम इसको कन्वर्ट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अबाउट द टू ए लेस देन टाइप कॉम्प्लिकेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और ड्रॉ इट्स ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे जिसे होगी. तो लेट स्टार्ट करते हैं. हेयर गिवन टेबल डेली इनकम इज इन रुपीज़ 100 to 120 12, 120 to 140 14. So here number we make its here लेस देन टाइप क्रिएट करना है हमारे को. लेस देन टाइप सो कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसीज फाइंड करेंगे. कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी here cumulative frequency CF which is 12 plus 14 is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. 30 plus 4 6 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So here we plot graph on we plot points here less than type we plot less than type. So here less than type is 120 12. Here 140 26 and 160 is 34 and 180 40 200 50. So here we make the less than type cumulative graph. Here we plot graph 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, और here this sign, so the line is, जो लाइन है वो पीछे से आ रही है, so here we 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, and 170, 180. Enough. So here is upper limit, and cumulative frequency here. Cumulative frequency here. So our graph is 120 to 12, 120 to 12. So this is 120, this is 120, 12. This point is there here, 120 to 12, and here 120 to 12. Again 140 to 26, 140 to 26. This number is there, 140 to 26, and here 160 is 34, 160 to 34, and 180 to 40, 180 to 40, and this is 200, and 200 to 50. 200 to 50. So these are points we make it, and here less than type OP. लेस देन टाइप होगी वी मेक इट. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड करते हैं. हेयर अगेन रिपीट, हमने इसका कम्युनिटी फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाल लिया और इसके बाद हमने इसका ओगी ग्राफ लेस देन टाइप बनाया. इससे इसका हमने ऑफ की ग्राफ तैयार किया। और अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करते हैं। हेयर question number 2, during the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weight were recorded as follow: less than 38 is 0, less than 40 is 3, less than 42 is 5, less than 44 is 9, less than 46 is 14, less than 48 is 28, less than 50 is 32, less than 52 is 35. So here number of students given, we have given increasing order and last 35 students. Draw a less than type of key for the given data, hence obtained median weight from the graph and verify the result by using formula. यहाँ पर मेडिकल चेकअप पे 35 स्टूडेंट जो है क्लास के, उनका किया गया है, वेट वर रिकॉर्डेड और उनके वेट का हिसाब लिया गया है। लेस देन 38, जिसका वेट 38 से बिलो है वो 0% है, और लेस देन 40 से नीचे 3% है, एंड लेस देन 42 5% है, लेस देन 44 इज़ 9%, लेस देन 46 14%, and less than 48 is 28%, less than 50 is 32%, and less than 52 is 35%. So we calculate cumulative, here we given cumulative frequency, and so here we find number of students, here firstly is 0 जो कि लेस देन 38 है, वो 0, एंड लेस देन 40 weight in kg, less than 38 is 0, and again number of students 0, less than 38 and 38 to 40 is 3 students, this is 5, this is 9, 14, 28, 32 एंड 35। कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी लेस देन टाइप हमें दिया है, सो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हम निकालेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिलो ऑफ द लेस देन 38 इज 0, 38 to 40 is 3, and 40 to 42 is 5 minus 3 is 2, and here 5 में 3 गया 2, and 42 to 44 9 में 5 गया 4, and 14 to 9 5, and 28 to 14 is 14, and 32 minus 28 is 4 numbers, and 35 to 3. Here n is 35, so we plot less than graph. So here 38 less than 38 and less than 38. So 38, 0, 40, 40, 3 numbers, and 42, 2 numbers, and 44, 4 number, 46, 5 number, 48, 14 numbers, and 50, 4 numbers, and 52 is 3 numbers. Here we find the median. We find median also. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF oblique में F into में H. So here n by 2 is equal to 35 by 2, which is 17.5 observation number. Here cumulative frequency of median cumulative frequency of CF 17.5 less than, this is CF and this is H, F, and this series is L. Frequency F is 14 and lower limit (46). So we put values 46, n by 2 is 17.5, CF is cumulative frequency, here 14, F is 14, class mark is 2. Multiply 2 is equal to 46 plus 3.5 and oblique 14 into me 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. So we divide 3.5 7.75 ja 35. So 46 plus 0.5 is equal to 46.5. This is median, and we plot graph. Here the value is that 0, 5, 10, 10, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40, 45, 50 and 55. So here we make its given graph 38 plus 40, 40 plus 2, 42, 44, 46, 48, 48, 48, 50, 52 and 54, 56. So ready table is 38 to 0, 38 to 0. So here 38 to 0 is this point. Table is given 38 to 0, 40 to 3, 42 is 5 and 44 is 9 and 46 is 14 and here 48 is 28 and 50, 32 and 52 is 35. So here we look here the graph 40, 30, 38 to 0, 40 to 3, 42 to 5, 44 to 9 and 46 to 14, 48 to 28, 50 to 32 and 52 35. So we make these numbers 38 0, this is point is 38 and 0, again 40 to 43 this point and again 42 to 5 this point and this point and 44 to 9 here this point and 46 14 is this point and 48 to 28, so this point and 50 to 32 this point and 52 to 35 this point. So we make graph this number to this number to this number and this number to this number. So we write here numbers is 40 to 43, this number is 42 5 and this number is 44 9 and this number is 46 14 and this number is 48 to 28 and 50 to 32 and 52 to 35. we make the less than type of key, and median is that 46, here 46.5, this point, this point, this point is, so here median is 46.5, median is 46.5. so we make the question number second very easy. फर्स्ट बीट इन केजी लेस देन 38.0 जो कि हमें दिया था, हमने इसका नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड कम्युनिटी फ्रिक्वेंसी निकाला, एन निकाल लिया. सो हमने इसका मीडियन फाइंड किया, मीडियन इज़ दैट 46.5, एंड सो वी ग्राफ प्लॉट किया, एंड ग्राफ इज मीडियन इज 46.5 एंड दिस इज द कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड दिस इज ग्राफ टेबल लेस देन टाइप ऑफ की. Question number 3. The following tables gives production yield for hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Production yield 50 to 55. Number of farms is 2. 55 to 60. Number of farms 8. 60 to 65. Number of farms is 12. 65 to 70, number of farms is 24. 70 to 75, 38, and 75 to 80 is 16. Change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its OG. हमें given tables में हेक्टेयर द फील्ड्स हैं जो कि हेक्टेयर्स में हैं, वीट फील्ड्स हैं, 100 फॉर्म्स हैं, ए विलेज में 100 फॉर्म्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया है. प्रोडक्शन यील्ड जो देखा गया है 50 to 55 हेक्टेयर्स पर हेक्टेयर के लिए नंबर ऑफ फॉर्म्स हैं 2. 55 to 60 में नंबर ऑफ फॉर्म्स 8 नंबर्स हैं, एंड 60 to 65 हेक्टेयर्स में 12 फॉर्म्स हैं. 65 to 70 में 24 फॉर्म्स हैं. 70 to 75 में 38 है. 75 to 80 में 16 है. हमें यही मोर देन टाइप ग्राफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बनाना है एंड इस ओगी तैयार करना है. ओके, तो हम इसे सॉल्व आउट करते हैं. पहले नंबर ऑफ here 50 to 55 hectare is number is 2. 55 to 60 is 50 to 60, 50 to 60, 60 to 65, and 65 to 70, and 70 to 75, and 75 to 80. Number of forms is 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, and 60. So here more than number n is 100. So here more than frequency type. So this is the 100 numbers, and 100 minus 2 is 98. 98 minus 8 is 90. 90 minus 12 is 78. 78 minus 38, 78. Here 78 78 minus 24, 8, 4, 5, 54, and 54 minus 16 is 38. So 14 is 38. 54 minus 38 is 16. This is distribution table. So we plot here more than graph. So here number is 50, 100 and 55, 98, 60 is 90 and 65, 65 is 70 and 70, 54 and 75 is 16. So we make the graph here, plot here 50 number 100 and 55, 98, 60, 90 and 65, 70 and 70, 54, 75 is 16. Here point is 50 upper limit and frequency distribution. Cumulative frequency 50, 100, this is number is 55, 98, this is 60, 90, 65, 70 is 54 and this is 75 and 16. More than type graph, more than. Okay, so we again repeat this question here. Plot 50 to 55, number of forms 2 and more than frequency is total frequency is hundreds. So 100 minus 2 is 98, 98 minus 8 is 90, 90 minus 12 is 78 and 78 minus 24, 54 and 54 minus 38, 16. This is the frequency. And we more than type frequency, so 50 to 100 and 55 to 98 and 60 to 90, 65 to 70, 70 to 54 and 75 to 16. This is the more than type graph. More than type होगी. We have calculate this. So we complete the exercise 14.3. Student easily understand this question. Thank you for understand question number 3, question number 2, question number 3 and 4. Thank you.